Hi kids, welcome to another nice different episode. There is a lots of animals. Wow, one, two, three, 4, 5 and 6 is giraffe. Is giraffe. Nice yellow color giraffe. La la la. It's really awesome giraffe. Next, tiger. Is tiger. Nice tiger. Orange color tiger. Orange and chocolate also. Chocolate. Tiger, tiger. Next, it's number 3. It's also tiger. Panther tiger. Tiger, 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 tiger. It's yellow color. Yellow color tiger. Next is number 4. Lion. Orange color lion. Nice lion. It's tail, 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 tail. Lion, lion. Next. Wow, it's giraffe. No, it's zebra. Zebra, white and its black shade. Zebra, zebra, zebra. Nice zebra. Next is last. Number 6. Gondor. Black color Gondor. It's Gondor. Nice Gondor. Okay kids, bye bye. See you next another new episode.